Let's get ready to rumble!
Wow.
Fuck you!
Come on, dickhead. Good,
Onto Foxmore Road exit.
Really?
Using the left lane, keep left onto Foxmore Road exit. Then keep right to stay on Foxmore Road exit.
Oh, that's very good driving. That's brilliant driving, that one is. Come on, mate. You can go already. Oh. Well, that is a fucking ridiculous fucking ball road.
Look at the size of that thing.
What is this clown doing?
What an asshole.
It's not fucking 2 lanes, mate. What the fuck are you doing? It's not fucking 2 lanes, you dickhead. It's one fucking lane, 619 SUF.
Hey, fuck you! Yes! Yes! Fuck you too!
Huh. Straight through the fucking reds. Unbelievable. Fuck off.
Denied.
Illegal U-turn.
You came into my life and tried to do me wrong. So in return for that, I have sent you this song. It tells you what I think and how I feel about you. So take a seat and listen up, cause every single word is true. Dickhead, you're such a dickhead. And everybody knows it, everyone but you. You're a dickhead. I hope you'll soon be dead. And this is payback time for what you put me through. The way you behaved was a total disgrace. I never grow tired of punching your face. You think that putting me down lifts you higher. I wouldn't piss on you if you were on fire. You think you're better than me.